Design creates differentiation, brand awareness and benefits, and design is a communication to the end user. Our products are like a silent servant. The design is clear and puristic with a high visual and haptic quality. When designing the ultrasonic humidifier U700, special focus was placed to create a compact product with a large water tank. The unit is currently our high-end ultrasonic device with an integrated hygrostat and a digital display. Thanks to the handle, the upper section of the unit with its large water tank can be easily lifted and carried. The transparent window follows the style of the display, which shows you the current humidity. The window allows you to have a look into the interior and also to view through the device. A surrounding frame unites the water tank with the lower part and its display. The combination of design and visible humidification results in a product that fits perfectly into your home.